Don't you know you're everything? better know what you're fighting for. Well, baby, you are all that I adore. If love is what you need, a soldier I will be.
Wait, what do you do with the power of my pussy? I condemn you back to the uterus! Wait, no!
What are you guys, stupid? You guys were literally rehearsing a meme? With the fake enthusiasm too. This wasn't my idea. Parasite.